Hello everyone and welcome back to my video series on the Starship Troopers Terran Command Scenario Editor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new feature with the public release of the editor where you can add custom portraits to your briefing. So I'm going to show you how to add those portraits to your mission and then how to use them in your briefing. So let's get started with first adding the portrait to your mission file. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Documents, My Games, and your Starship Troopers folder. So you can get there by going to your Documents folder, My Games, and then Starship Troopers. So once you're there, you're going to want to select Scenarios and then select the map that the scenario folder that you want to add a custom portrait to. So in this case, I'm going to be adding a custom avatar of my YouTube logo. So I've got my PNG here. All you need is a square dimension image in order to do any of this. So any square, 500 by 500, as long as it's equal dimensions on the width and the height, you should be good to go. All we have to do is drag this image into our mission folder. Now we are going to rename this. So we're going to name this character underscore 0 underscore name. So this will have to be a proper name. And you can do spaces. So let's do Private Lionstein for this example. So now let's say we want to add another portrait in here. Every portrait that we add, we just need to make sure that it's not already taken up with that the number is not already used up. Now, let's say I wanted to add one more character in here, and just to show how to add additional characters in here, I'm going to go ahead and move over one more image here, and I'm going to rename this character underscore 1 underscore name. So now what the game is going to do is it's going to be looking for different character portraits to use in the scenario. Now, for this particular example, now one thing to note is no matter how many character portraits you add in here, they have to be in sequential order. So you have to include a character portrait in here that starts with 0 and then goes sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So now that we have our images here inside of the scenario folder, I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like here in the game. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new trigger, and I'm going to use the effect called Briefing Add. And then we have here all the different default game portraits. But as soon as I refresh, it's going to check to see if there have been any additional characters added. You might need to refresh a couple times, or in this particular case, I am going to have to reload my mission. Now we can see our custom portraits here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a very quick briefing. Look out below. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save, And I'm going to go ahead and launch the scenario so that way, and actually I'm going to very quickly move the camera here. There we go. And then there we have it. We have our custom portrait in the game. So that is how you add custom portraits to your briefings. So I hope this was helpful. And if you need further assistance, check out the Terran Command Discord, as well as my Discord down in the links below. Thank you.